Okay, we just got back from Florida off vacation. We stayed at the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Hollywood, Florida. Luckily, we got everything comp, so I don't know the pricing of these rooms. Maybe you could call them and they'll tell you there. But we had a great time. We went there Wednesday and came back Sunday. So I'm gonna walk you through the hotel and show you our room and all the events that we did. Here we go. Okay, we're walking from the parking garage, and this casino is huge. So you can fast forward through this walk, but I'm just recording the distance from the parking garage to our room. And we stayed in the Guitar Tower. So as you can see, all the slot machines, they have poker, blackjack, which I played blackjack. My wife, she played the slots. But I didn't see any craps tables. But I heard that they're going to get them here in Florida. But this is the walk. Okay, we almost there. So we got lucky and got an upgrade. We got a small suite here. Oh man, that shower. I mean, the water is hot and it comes out really hard. So you could sit in there and use it as a steam room. And I like how this shade is electric. Just hit the button. You can bring it up or down. And this is our view right here. It wasn't the best view, but hey, you can't complain when it's comped and you got it for free. So it wasn't a bad view. You can still see the pool here on the right hand side. Okay, now we're getting ready to take a trip down into Miami. It's about 10-15 minute drive. It's not that far. So we're gonna go to the Bayside and do a little shopping. I don't like shopping. I let my wife shop. I just sit back and eat some ice cream. I think this one got Jack Daniel in it. So now we are down in Miami at the Bayside, getting ready to do a little shopping. And I love these trees. I don't know what kind of trees they are, but these things look like they're 100 years old. Plenty of shade. Okay, and we're gonna go upstairs to this restaurant right here. It's called Drunk Bitch. So I'm gonna give you the heads up when they come to you. They're gonna say, "Hey, what you want to order, bitches?" And that's what they do. So don't get offended when you go into this restaurant. I heard a lot of people got kicked out before because they didn't understand the process. But this is my wife vegan food. And once we finished shopping and everything, we went back to the hotel. We had free tickets to see some boxing. And we probably spent 3 hours in here watching boxing. And we didn't see not one single knockout. And it was freezing. But we did enjoy ourselves. As you can see, these rounds in the whole, I think we watched about maybe 3, 4 fights. And they went all 12 rounds and no knockouts. I think this last fight right here ended in the 6th round. The other side threw in the towels. But anyway, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.